Hey dude, how we doing today? So week 5, day 4 wrapped on Academy Pittsburgh, and today was a great day. This morning was kind of a review of our iTunes exercise yesterday, and then lecture became one level deeper of that complexity by making, okay, now you're going to make a Twitter clone, and that's going to be all afternoon today in small group. Great. So my group had challenges at first of trying to make sure we're all on the same page communication wise, which also means efficient workflow. For example, uh, most of us are not the strongest programmers, and then one person really is a strong programmer. And that person, I think, had some challenges of trying to explain logic to the rest of us and realizing, oh, but I need everyone else's input too in this. Great. Okay. So let's figure this out. Okay, let's take turns all being typists because when we all have our hands on it, then we can actually understand in real time what's happening, and it forces our minds to grasp. Okay, this person is telling me this. I can ask, what does this mean? And that person will help me. Awesome. So that's what we did. We really dug down deep in building rapport and making sure everyone was on the same page, and that if one person did not understand, we do not move forward until that person is caught up to where the rest of the group is. Because it's really not cool to just steamroll over somebody's lack of understanding just because the rest of us want to achieve something. And really, the whole point of the exercise is to learn why you're doing what you're doing, not crossing off achievements. Once we earned that rapport and communication with each other, then we believed in each other, and then we started to make these agenda items where we did actually cross off achievements, and we felt great about it. And we realized, oh, we're in this together. We believe in this thing. Let's get it done. All right, cool. And then you just start optimizing after that and making the code communicate more smoothly. We had challenges like I'm the only Windows user and everyone else was using either Linux or Mac. So okay, we need to take turns typing, but we also need to have easily shareable code that we can pass back and forth, and it can immediately just drop into your IDE and then speak to your reference or database. Great. Okay, so we figured out. Well, let's have code blocks. Here's for Mac users. Here's for Windows. Whatever system you're on, just comment out the code that is not your operating system, and boom, you're good to go. Great. I think that was a much greater accomplishment that my group achieved because we realized that okay, it's not as important to say we got everything done. We need to understand how to work together and how to be this optimal network. And that that was my main takeaway today. I was really happy about that, and just providing space to be like, cool, ask questions. I had plenty of questions of, I don't really get what we're doing here. Can we do a line by line and just kind of explain what we're doing here so I understand? Not targeting anybody else, not like filtering out anybody else. I personally don't understand this. Can we slow down? Great. And I enjoy doing that because once you show your own vulnerability, other people chime in like, yeah, wait, I, I really don't get this either. Cool. All right, let's go over it again. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, without getting too long-winded about it. I had a good day today, and I'll see you tomorrow.